Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Drunk Driver Regrets Speeding After Traffic Stop Goes Wrong.
A simple traffic stop ends with this driver in handcuffs after her attempt to deceive officers backfires terribly. On September 16th, police in Colts Neck conducted a stop on a speeding vehicle just before midnight. Upon confrontation, he notices an alcoholic odor as the driver struggles to follow any of his instructions.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Officer Santoro. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please? Can I have your license?
Okay.
Instead, I just want to let you know I'm stopping you for your speed, all right? You're going 85 into 50 when you're coming out of Howell.
No.
Is there a reason you're going that fast?
No.
What's that?
No, there's no reason.
Okay, where are you heading to?
I'm going home.
Where's home at?
To, Brick.
Brick? You're going to Brick? Or you're going in the opposite direction from Brick?
Brick? Okay, well, I'll fix it, but...
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from a concert with my girlfriend.
Okay, where was the concert at?
It was at PNC Bank Center.
Okay, did you drop a friend off down that way, or is that... Have your license?
I'm trying.
You don't have your license on you, or?
I just... there's so many... Okay, so me and my girlfriend, we were getting together earlier today to get ready together for the concert.
Okay.
But all of my shit is everything. And I'm trying to work with you.
Well, where do you usually keep your license? Thank you. How old are you, 25? 26? Okay.
You know where to go?
Mm-hmm. Okay, do you have a copy of your registration? That's your insurance.
They just sent me one, but I didn't put it in my phone.
How much have you had to drink tonight? Nothing? At all? Not even like one alcoholic beverage at the concert? Because I'm smelling it coming out of the car.
Oh, you are?
I am. And then you had a hard time maintaining your lane as well when I was behind you once you got on the 18. I want you to be honest with me because
No, I went to a concert. I had a good time with my friend.
Okay, well...
I'm just about to go home.
Okay, well, you're heading in the opposite direction of where you said you live, and you also told me you live in Brick. Meanwhile, you have a Manchester.
No, I'm staying with my dad right now.
Okay, sit tight for me for 1 second, okay? So I had her going 85 and a 50 coming out of Howell down 34. She almost wiped her car out on the on-ramp. Pupils are like pinpoint. She's not making any sense. She's telling me she's going home to Brick. Meanwhile, this is how she got on. She's got a Manchester address. Now she's telling me that she lives with her dad. She said she's coming from PNC, and I was like, well, why are you coming out of 34 in Howell? She can't answer that. Her speech is lethargic. Everything's slow. Her movement's slow. I'm getting the slight odor, but I want to pull her out and put it through tests. So,
okay.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, Angela. So listen. So here's the deal. All right. So I have some suspicions right now that you are not in the condition to operate a vehicle. Okay. I'm smelling some alcohol coming off here. I got you going almost 50 miles an hour over the speed limit, and you're swerving all over the place. All right. So what I'm going to ask you to do right now is if you could come out of your car and perform some sobriety tests for me. What's that? Okay, so unfortunately, this is how it's going to happen right now, okay? So if you come out of the car and you perform some tests for me and you're good to go, then I can send you on your way.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. But...
All right? Just be careful. Let's wait for these cars to pass, and I'm going to have you jump out, okay? Just jump on out and just go.
If you are good to go, that's capitalized if. Capitalized IF, okay? You probably got a 1 or 2% chance of being good to go. Okay.
Right to where this officer is standing, okay?
Officer Kazmak, Colts Neck Police, just stand in front of your license plate for me here, okay? All right, miss. Do you have any issues with your eyes that I need to be aware of?
I can't see that well.
Do you have contacts in? Do you wear glasses?
I have one contact in.
One contact in? Okay, what happened to the other
So I
one?
went to a concert, and I could only find one. So.
All right, but no other issues? No? All right, I just want you to stand with your feet together like this and your hands by your sides, okay? I just want you to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You understand? Don't move your head. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Keep your eyes on the pen. Don't move your head. Keep your head straight. Follow it with your eyes only. Okay, miss. Now just blink your eyes a couple of times for me. All right, now we're going to go up and down. Keep following the tip of my pen with your eyes only, okay? You understand? Okay. Okay, miss. One more eye test for you, okay? Just feet together, hands by your sides for me, okay? All right. Now you see the tip of my finger? Yes?
Yes.
All right. I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Keep following my finger. Okay. This officer is going to put you through some other tests, okay?
All right, 2 more tests, okay? Like I said, the quicker we can get through these tests and you can show me that you're okay to drive, I'll send you on your way, all right? I appreciate you being so cooperative so far. My next question is for you. Do you have any issues with your back, your legs, your knees, anything that prevents you from walking normally or anything along those lines, all right? So the next test we're going to do is the walk and turn, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate it to you and I'm going to put you in a position. And then I want you to stay in that position while I explain the rest of the test to you and have you do it. Do you understand that? All right.
I'm trying to, yeah.
Okay, no, I'm going to explain it to you all right now. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to take your right foot and put it over your left foot like so, with your heels touching your toes. See how mine are? With your heels touching. Good. I want you to stay in that position, okay? I want you to keep your arms to your side and keep them to your side for the whole time for the test, okay? I want you to imagine that there's a straight line in front of you, all right?
Okay.
When I tell you to begin, all right, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps like I'm going to show you right now, okay?
I used to be a ballerina.
1, 2, 3. I'm only doing 3.
That's hard for anybody, but okay.
I want you to do 9. Okay, do you understand that?
Yeah.
And I want you to keep your arms to your side the whole time. When you get to that 9th step, I want you to do small choppy steps, okay? And I want you to do another 9 heel-to-toe steps all the way back.
Okay.
Counting out loud. Okay, keep your arms to your side. Do you understand the instructions as I explain them? You may begin.
One after another.
You told me you understood. You want me to explain it to you one more time?
No.
Okay, one more test, okay?
I know this ain't got nothing to do with nothing, but her dress is so short. Like super short. Not only is it super short, hold on. Hold on. Let's see here. All right, there we go. Not only is it super short, like look at it has a slit in it. So there's really only something covering, covering the kitty cat right here. But it got a little lace, but the lace is untied. That shit is so crazy. Oh my. And she said she living with her dad. God damn. Pops, what's going on, Pops? What's going on? Because I understand going to a concert, but this attire here is crazy.
It's going to be the one leg stand. What's your stronger leg, your left or your right leg, that you could balance on?
This guy.
So your right leg? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in another position, and I want you to stay in that position until I explain it to you, okay? All right, so I want you to stand like this, okay? Like this, like you're standing like a soldier, okay? When I tell you to begin, all right, I want you to balance on your right leg. You looking at me? You can look at me, all right? I want you to balance on your right leg, and I want you to lift your left leg 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground.
Okay.
Okay? And while you're looking down at your toes, I want you to count out 1001, 1002.
You're kidding me?
You want me to explain it to you again so you have a better understanding of it or no? I'll explain it to you one more time. All right? I want you to stand like this, okay? When I tell you to begin, you said you're going to balance on your right leg because that's your stronger leg. I want you to lift your left leg about 6 inches off the ground, okay? Arms to your sides. Keep them to your side the whole time. All right? I want you to look at the top of your toes on your left leg, and I want you to count out 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay? Do you understand it as I've explained it?
Sure, yeah.
All right, you may begin. Okay, just keep going, keep going, keep going.
The wind is actually blowing me, but
Arms by your sides. Arms to your sides. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, please.
I'm getting tired here now.
Okay, you can stop. Just sit tight on your trunk for me for 1 second, okay? I'm comfortable with it. Are you comfortable with it? Let's go. Arrest.
It was difficult for me to really get anything in the gym because she was moving her head. So it's up to you. I'll document all.
Wait. What? Are you comfortable with it?
Arrest?
I don't know.
It's difficult for me to really
It's just difficult for me to really get anything.
get anything in the gym because she was moving her head. So it's up to you. I'll document all that.
She didn't perform any of the tests. Is good.
Yeah, well,
we're gonna have to.
wasn't great.
I don't know if I'm gonna have to call DRE out. I don't know if it's alcohol or something else. So.
Okay, if that's what you want to do.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, if you have operation, absolutely.
Okay. All right, Angela, do me a favor. Try not to place your hands behind your back, okay? Right now you're being under arrest for driving, suspicion of driving under the influence, okay?
My brother just passed a few months ago, and I'm struggling, and I've already had a DUI. Is it okay if you could not fuck my life right now, please?
So unfortunately,
I
this
can
is
just get
this.
an Uber. Like, no, because
Unfortunately
it's not for my safety. It's for whatever.
It's not.
Can you not fuck my life right now? No, you fucked your own life. You made that decision. The cop didn't make you get in the car drinking or popping pills or under whatever influence it is that you're under. You did that. He didn't do that.
For your safety?
No, I
that
can
I'm-
Uber home right now.
Okay, so unfortunately we're past that point,
No shit.
okay? You made that decision, and unfortunately this is
Yeah,
what
you put me
happens.
through all those things that I passed, and then
Okay,
what?
so unfortunately you didn't pass a single one, all right?
Okay, well,
Listen, if you just cooperate, we
just
can
put
get
her
through
in the,
this,
put her
okay?
in the-
Come on.
I'm not going to argue here.
Hold on. 1 quick second. Remember, cops tell you that it's not a pass or fail. Remember, they always say that? The field sobriety test is not a pass or fail. But he just said she ain't passed a single one. Told you.
Your phone and your wallet is in your car. I'll grab that for you.
please.
Okay, where is it?
There's like 2 purses.
Well, I'm only gonna grab your phone and your wallet, okay? Your important thing. Can you just see if you can fix that seatbelt for her real quick? I'm gonna just grab her phone and her wallet. So listen, I have your phone and your wallet, okay? This is all I'm gonna bring right now, all right? My officer here is gonna stay with the car, and it's gonna be secured, and it's gonna be towed. There's nothing else that I need to grab for you in that right now. I can't take anything big like bags and stuff, but I figured I'd grab your phone and your wallet for you.
So I have to go through another DUI now?
Unfortunately, yes, Angela. That's what happens.
Why can't I just Uber home?
Because we're past that point. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you, okay? I'm not gonna sit here
ruining
and
my
argue with you.
life, and you're gonna
Okay.
move on with this.
All right, man. Thank you.
You're gonna sit on this bench right over here, right? Right here. And I'm gonna take one handcuff off, and I'm just gonna handcuff you by one hand. All right? You can stand up for me real quick. Take them off. You wanna be cuffed by your left or your right?
I don't mind.
It's not too tight, right? Okay.
The suspect was charged with 1 count of driving under the influence of alcohol. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And
Yeah. I mean, you got to take some accountability and some responsibility for yourself, you know? The cop didn't force you to do that. You made that decision on your own. So there's no point in blaming him. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job. I give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.